Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel, also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today we discuss p-value or probability value. First we define what is the p-value. In hypothesis testing, p-value is used to calculate probability whether there is any evidence to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, we can say that we use the p-value for the purpose of deciding either we reject the null hypothesis or accept the null hypothesis. Here is the question, why we need to use the p-value. As you know, in hypothesis testing, for the purpose of decision to accept null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis, the researchers used level of significance, mostly 0.01, 0.05 or 0.10, to examine any research question. So it creates difficulty for a lot of researchers or readers when they want to compare results of different tests, because one test is calculated on the basis of uh, 0.05 level of significance, and may be quite possible other researchers use 0.01. So p-value solves this issue. P-value is a cutoff value which decide either we select either we choose null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis, and the comparison easy on the basis of p-value, because we have one set of observation. Range, the range of p-value is between 0 and 1. Interpretation, how we interpret p-value in hypothesis testing. If we have high p-value means greater than 0.05. 0.05 is cutoff point. If we have high p-value, in case we accept our null hypothesis, it means our statement about null hypothesis is correct. Otherwise, if we have low p-value, our p-value is less than 0.05, it means the statement drawn about null hypothesis is incorrect, and our alternative hypothesis, which is alternative hypothesis is the opposite of null hypothesis, we accept null hypothesis if p-value is less than 0.05. Applications in statistics, p-value is used in hypothesis testing, t-test, and also in regression analysis. Here is some important notes about p-value. Don't use 0 before the decimal point for writing p-value. For example, we write p-value as 0.001 instead of write p-value as 0.001. Do not write this 0 before the decimal point, because the reason behind is p-value never attain 1. It cannot be equal to 1. So why to use 0 before decimal points? Another important point is some statistical softwares like SPSS, in case of very low p-value, it gives answer like that p is equal to 0.000. So this is not accurate to write it, because p-value never attains 0. It may be 0.0001 anything, any minimum quantity, but never equal to 0. So we write it as p less than 0.001. This is the accurate point to write the p value. And in our next video we solve a question about p value. Thanks.